This is a quick video to show you how to install GCam onto your Microsoft Surface Duo and Duo 2 product. This is called side loading, and it should be noted that side loading can be dangerous, so you should know your source. I get my mods from the GCam hub here, and what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down and see the latest mods, and there is one in particular that I want to download. I am after BSG's MGC underscore 8.7.250 underscore A11 underscore V3. So I'm going to select that now. We will be downloading the second option in this list. So we're going to, again, select the second one, touch that, and that will start the download process. You do see an ad here, just close that. And tell it to download the file. And the download is in progress. This is a pretty small file, so it will not take long, and now it's downloaded. You now need to go to your download folder. So what I'm going to do is scroll over to my desktop to pick up the File Manager Plus. This is what I use. I'll open it up, and then I'll go to my Downloads folder. And now that we're in our Downloads folder, you can see the app has been downloaded, the APK. So what we'll do here is we'll just launch it. And it's telling me that this is an unknown source. And you'll probably get this message if you've never side loaded. So we'll select the settings option here. Once we've selected settings, we need to turn on the option to allow from this source. And this will give us the option to install. And now we're installing. I sped that up, but now let's choose the open. And then just go through and grant the permissions that are asked for. And then finally, a notice about a shortcut. And this version of GCam does direct you to where you can get support on Telegram. And after you're done with that, we're ready to start configuring the camera.